set here. Let's show how this game is going to be. Papa, these are the games post World Cup. The World Cup, these are the records. Chelsea about 13 games after the World Cup. Dortmund about 10. Chelsea for 13 games after the World Cup, no? Oman winning 3. Oman draw 4. Oman lose 6. Dortmund in 10 games after the World Cup. Oman winning 10 0 draws, 0 lost. In terms of goals, Chelsea has shot 7 goals after World Cup. Dortmund has shot 25 goals after World Cup. 3 times more than team friend Chelsea after World Cup. No? In terms of goals conceded, Chelsea conceded 13 goals from 13 games after the World Cup. Dortmund have conceded 8 goals after 10 games after the World Cup.
In that regard, they put two Chelsea say any difference here, kakra.
Chelsea difference there.
Averagely, in year who's going to say game be an
conceded goal. Yes.
But Dortmund that is not the case.
Yes. They don't concede in every game. Good.
But Chelsea get 1.3.
Yes. And if these records are anything to go by, yes. Yeah. If these records are anything to go by, that means Chelsea will concede goal.
Yeah, that's
if this shows anything, Chelsea are about 13 games after World Cup, but concede 13 goals. Every game you concede goal. That means the Chelsea team now are likely to concede a goal than team friend Dortmund. And I think that these records doesn't speak well. In terms of goals scored, Papa, 10 games, 25 goals scored. That means that on average 2 goals per game. Who concede goal? You are playing against a team averaging 2 goals per game. Papa, it's difficult for Chelsea and I think that this game Chelsea will concede goal. Dortmund will also score. I can say to my friend or Chelsea will also score because Chelsea for attacking and William James and Benjamin Chilwell are always putting their foot forward. And I think that's the reason why I think for both teams to score on the cards and the upper. Chelsea for a win because the game a draw Chelsea are free. It's a Champions League away go rule nyejuma. But the tennis said Chelsea for any other win bia we game 1-0 wa pie game no. Onya 2-0 qualify. 2-1 are going to extra time and penalties. The good thing is Chelsea for with the away go rule anyone no, they have a very big chance. And the big chance is to win the game. Any draw bia pushes them out. And I think that's the reason why players knowing this no, they'll be very serious about this game. Papa, I think it's a game no.
SOMPA Sports.
Ebe ending the draw.
Draw.
Yes.
And the draw still
Chelsea
extra time.
It's a game we ending the draw Chelsea free.
Okay, so we were 1-0.
Yes.
Advantage.
Yes.
Into a basana,
Chelsea free.
Chelsea free.
And I think that will be the case.
Who the draw? Score draw.
Yeah, scoring draw. But Chelsea be free.
Okay. Chelsea be free.
Yes. Me who a scoring draw.
Okay.
A 1-1.
Okay.
Me who 1-1. But I think say yes. Yeah, we game no. That Chelsea for Champions League.
Me name say near Chelsea for fan komoy. But